I did it. I powered through and made the trek all the way up to Lewisburg. I just got to Roller Mills. Now I'm gonna do all of Lewisburg. My goal for this year is to really switch it up, and I know people are probably sick of me going to the same places over and over again, although this place is pretty awesome. I love coming up to Lewisburg. You never know what you're gonna find up here. It's still Valentine's Day season, even though it's been scarce. I'm gonna do Lewisburg, and I'm not sure where I was going with that, but I'm gonna do all of Lewisburg today. I'm still looking for Valentine's Day, the uber unique. I'm gonna be super picky and super selective, unless it's like too good a deal to pass up. Let's go in and see what they got. What do we have down here? A little celluloid face stuffed Santa, $37. Totally fair retail price. Can't really do anything much with that. For resale, that is. These are kind of cool. Strange. $15 each. Kind of have freaky expressions. So I see some traces of Valentine's Day, even though it's not really the kind of Valentine's Day I'm looking for. The little pins are cute. I love I know I bash on Avon, but I do like that one, although I'm afraid that it does have perfume in it, and I do not do scented anything. Let's see what else we got. That's a little bit on the newer side. A lot of cute stuff, a lot on the newer side now. They have a lot of St. Patrick's Day stuff. Those green things are pretty cool. Love the pins. The leprechaun pins are awesome. Oh man, look at that left-in lusterwear pixie planter. $30 is pretty close to what I get for those after fees. I've only had it a couple times. Oh my gosh, and there's a freaking reindeer planter back there, but it's $45. And of course I love the left-in heart mug. $8 is a little close. Those don't sell for that much. They usually sell them for about $14. And then you got fees on top of that. Oh my gosh, and look at this little Santa. Napco. How much is that? 25 bucks. Can't do anything with that. What about this planter? Santa planters are really hard to find. $45. Okay. All right. I'm gonna keep going. This is like only the first booth when I walked in, pretty much. So I feel good about it. Little Red Riding Hood tin toy plate. $1 each. I've had those before. Oh, dang! It's missing the salt and pepper shakers. I was gonna say this is a really fun set. $12. Yeah, it's supposed to have salt and pepper shakers here. I love that it's glittery, but $12 without the actual salt and pepper shakers, I can't really do anything about that. I find so much great stuff in here. Oh my gosh, look at these bulldog salt and pepper shaker set. That is so much fun. How much is that? $4. Well, we just have to get that, don't we? It's really unique and really well priced. Although there's something off about it. I feel like I think it's missing the middle part. Doesn't seem right. Something about that is off actually now that I'm looking at it again. The gold swans are kind of cool. It's also cheap. It's kind of hard to ignore. Penn Hotel match box and ashtray. That's pretty neat too. I don't want to get carried away. It's kind of hard not to with these prices. What's going on with these planters? These are so stinking cute. $20, dang. A little close. Oh, and then this Napco wear Christmas girl, $25. That's a really fair price for retail. And of course I can't help but notice this little guy. I thought it was a salt and pepper shaker. It's just a figurine though. And this laundry sprinkler is really neat. These are usually super expensive. How much is this one? $20. That seems super cheap actually. A lot happening here. The first thing of course I noticed is this. This is really unique, but it's $12, which is pretty close to retail. What are these? Billy Can't. That is so funny. Billy Can. These are really weird. $4.50. So cheap. Now, of course, I noticed these guys too, but they look like two of the same. Although they're randomly both pink for $4.50. Oh, it's got a little chip, but these sell so well usually. I've like literally sold them for twice that when they're broken. They're supposed to be blue and pink, I thought though.
We can go back.
Then they got the Enesco ones with the yarn ball. They're missing their noisemakers. They're only $3. Well, one's missing its noisemaker. The noisemaker doesn't work anyway. These are really unique too. What's happening with these guys? Dumb. Those are kind of fun. I think I should just stop being weird and start picking some stuff up here. $4.50. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab these. Also, I love this set. I've had this one before. I've seen it listed for like crazy prices. It doesn't sell for that much, but for $4.85, I think I'm gonna throw this one in the basket too. Make sure they're correct, yeah. And I love the big eye guys here, but 25 for that. 25, yeah, that's a little steep for me. Oh my gosh, a little girl with her umbrella. Now her umbrella is made with a straw here. Makeshift, $20. Those don't sell for as much as you would think. A lot of the head bases sell for good money, but I find that the ones with the hold Howard. Oh my gosh. Hold on. No price? Is that a joke? I am like desperately seeking the tag for these Hold Howard salt and pepper shakers. Xmas SP as is. That can't be it. Man, I'm really trying to find them here. All right, I found it. It was underneath this box. Vintage salt and pepper shakers, $8.95. I'm taking these even though they've got some nicks in it and a little hairline. These are super hard to find. What an awesome set. I've had it before. It sold for like, I want to say $55, and it had a little hairline, so, or a little nick, I should say, on the ear, kind of like this one does. I'm grabbing those. So I'm gonna keep walking around. I'm gonna put these back in the meantime, just because I'm gonna come back to this shelf at the end like I usually do anyway. I have had them before, and I'm really trying to pick up only things I've never had. This is, except for the Hold Howard anything, that's really cool. It's like almost heart-shaped. Well, a lot of it's really close to retail, but I cannot resist. Oh my gosh, look at that duck. That's something I would totally buy for myself. I have a couple things like it in my personal collection. Gosh, I love these little holiday trinkets. So cute. Yeah, and they have the flamingos. I love the Rosen candy container too. Oh, what's the price? I'm telling you, I couldn't be any less in the mood for cases. All right, so the little girls, the Irish girls are 28 each, which is pretty close to retail. The leprechaun is 10, which is a fair price, but I'm trying to stay away from that bisque material. Although I love the little dog with the shamrock. It's $8. Oh, I'm just like so not in the mood for cases. So I'm gonna keep walking around and see if someone begs me to open a case. And of course, this isn't a case. I'm obligated to find out how much it is. It's the one thing that I can't see the price. Typical. I'm gonna have to check that out. It's really hard to find. You guys, the craziest thing has happened. I just ran into a viewer and she said, I have to show you something. And I said, am I gonna be upset? And she said, I don't know. And then she showed me this. I'm getting them. I'm trying to calm down. I see a bunch of Valentine's Day planners here. The one that says Valentine's Day greeting, if it didn't have that splotch, it looks like gum, already been chewed gum. I might grab it for 28. Yeah, it looks like it's all kind of close. Nothing is gonna top that today. So, although this little music box is cute. Yeah, the little Lefton Elf candle holder, $8. Nothing's gonna top that. All right, thank you. All right, so I snagged those fuzzy ceramic figurines for $48. Oh my gosh, wait, you're gonna hate me. I need this open too. I'm being such a mess. I need these garters. Look at how cute they are. All right, I've kind of calmed down. I had a nice little talk There's so much going on. I can't believe it's already noon. What is this? Is this a Cuss Bank? Oh my gosh, I think these are so funny. It is. $12. Oh, dang, I've like already spent so much money today. I feel like this is pretty spectacular though. I'm gonna go downstairs and then come back up. Maybe that will give me some better perspective.